take the idea of nesting during pregnancy quite literally and create a bird-themed nursery. One of our favorite bloggers, Sarah Pope, painted the branches and frames of these pictures white to work with the gray walls. Hang artwork over the crib to incorporate the bird theme without it overwhelming the room. You'd be surprised by all of the bird decor you can find. For example, this peacock pillow. These decorations are a distraction for baby during diaper changes. A birdmobile would also do the trick. Hang a decorative bird cage in a corner securely. Don't forget to make your baby's crib safe and bumper-free. Your baby will love his nursery, so don't be surprised if he grows up to be a modern-day bird watcher.